Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from the Palestinian School. And today inshallah we will talk about the 6th grade English for Palestinian students book 6B. And we will start with unit 17. Our title is Good Manners. Please open your books page 56 and get ready for the lesson. Today inshallah we'll take the first part from the first period in this unit, and as you can see our title is Good Manners. Look at the picture and name some good manners please. Excellent. Let's see what we will take today. This is our page 56, and in this page we have 4 activities. We will take inshallah the first activity and the second activity. So let's start our lesson. The first activity is listen and repeat. We will introduce the new vocabulary, so please listen and repeat after the cassette.
Clearly.
Clearly.
Complain.
Complain.
In a hurry.
In a hurry.
Interrupt.
Interrupt.
Librarian.
Librarian. Library.
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 Neighbor.
Neighbor.
Didn't notice.
Didn't notice.
Push in.
Push in.
Queue.
Queue.
Quickly.
Quickly.
Rudely.
Rudely.
Take turns.
And take turns. Please pause the video, listen again as many as you can till you can read them correctly without any problem. Now let's talk about each vocabulary individually and put it in a meaningful sentence and understand its meaning. Okay, look at this picture. What can you see? Try to guess. This is the definition. In a clear manner, with clarity. Clearly. Excellent. Clearly. Let's see the example so you can understand the picture. Amy, I can't hear you. Please speak clearly. Speak clearly. Excellent. To speak in a clear manner with clarity. Notice that it's an adverb. It ends with ly. Most adverbs end with ly. So clearly. This is the first word. Let's move to the next picture. What can you see? What do you think? To say that something is wrong. Complain. Excellent. Complain. Let's put it in a sentence. If we play noisily, our neighbors will complain. Can you think of another one? Excellent. When you do things fast, what do you think? In a hurry. Very good. When you are in a hurry, you do things very fast. Let's see the example. Amy is in a hurry. She is not doing her work carefully. In a hurry. What about this one? What do you think? To stop the continuous progress of an activity or a process. Two people are talking to each other and someone came and interrupted them. Interrupt. To stop the continuous progress of an activity. Let's see the example here. Omar is not happy with Jordan because he interrupted them. The next picture. A person who works in a library. It's very easy. We call him librarian. The person who works in a library is the librarian. The librarian asks the girls to speak quietly. Librarian, librarian. Excellent. Let's see the next picture. A place where you can borrow books and read books. What is this picture for? It's library or library. We can pronounce it in two ways, library or library. We should talk quietly in the library. Okay, what about this one? Someone who lives next to you. Excellent. Neighbor. Neighbor. You shouldn't play noisily or our neighbors will complain. You shouldn't play noisily or our neighbor will complain. So the neighbor is someone who lives next to us or to you. Okay? Let's see the next picture. When you are thinking of something else and don't notice. Excellent. Don't notice. Doesn't notice. Didn't notice. It means that when you are thinking of something else and you didn't or don't notice something. Let's see the example. We came in quickly and we didn't notice the queue. We didn't notice the queue. What about this picture? When you see a queue, do not push in. Excellent. Let's see the example here. A small boy and his mother didn't notice the queue and pushed in rudely. The next picture. This is what do you think? People wait their turn in a queue. Excellent. Queue. Queue. Let's see the example here. The woman entered the supermarket after waiting in the queue. The next picture. At a fast speed, rapidly. What do you think? Quickly. Very good. And it's adverb because it's end with ly, and as I mentioned before, most adverbs end with ly. Quickly. At a fast speed. Let's see the example here. We came in quickly and didn't notice the queue. Can you think of another example? Well done. Okay, what can you see in this picture? What is this boy doing in this picture? In an offensive or bad-mannered way, to push in rudely. Rudely. It's an adverb. The boy pushed rudely in the queue. So it's a rude manner. Do not push in a queue. When people talk, they take turns. When people talk, they take turns. They do not talk at the same time. They should take turns, one by one. Why you all talk at the same time? You need to take turns. Well done. Now let's revise the vocabulary again. Listen and repeat, please.
Clearly. Complain.
Clearly.
In a hurry. Interrupt. Librarian. Library. Library. Neighbor. Didn't notice.
Didn't.
Push in. Queue. Quickly. Rudely. Take turns.
Take turns.
Now let's move to the Second activity, listen and answer the questions. We will listen to each paragraph and we will ask a question about each paragraph. Listen please and try to answer.
Excuse me. Please don't push in. There's a queue here.
Oh dear, we are sorry. We came in quickly and didn't notice the queue. We'll go to the back.
Ben and his family are waiting in a queue in a restaurant. A small boy and his mother do not notice the queue and push in rudely.
Let's see the question now.
1. Why does the boy push in rudely?
Why does the boy push in rudely? What do you think? The boy and his mother don't notice the queue. They don't notice the queue, say they pushed in rudely. And then they apologize and go to the back of the queue. Picture number 2.
Excuse me, girls. This is a library. Please talk quietly.
Oh, sorry.
2 girls start to speak loudly. The librarian wants the girls to talk quietly because people come to the library to read and work quietly.
Let's answer this question.
2. What mustn't the 2 girls do in the library?
What do you think? What mustn't the girls do? They mustn't talk loudly. Excellent. They mustn't speak loudly. Well done.
Okay, let's play football. Where shall we play? Mr. Ali thinks we play noisily. Our neighbours will complain. Hey, Ben! Did you watch TV last night? Hey, Jordan! You shouldn't interrupt while others are speaking. Mum says we should take turns.
Ben and Omar are talking about where to play. Omar is not happy with Jordan because he interrupted them.
Let's ask a question.
3. Why are Ben and Omar not happy with Jordan?
Why? What did he do? Excellent. Omar is not happy with Jordan because he interrupted them while they were talking to each other. Excellent. Let's see the last picture and we will ask 2 questions about this picture.
Amy, please write carefully. I can't read your writing.
Sorry.
Amy, I can't hear you. Please speak clearly.
Oh, I'm sorry, Miss Smith.
Amy is in a hurry. She is not doing her work carefully.
Okay.
4. Why can't the teacher read Amy's writing?
What do you think? Why can't the teacher read Amy's writing? Because Amy is not doing her work carefully. She is in a hurry. Excellent. Let's see the second question.
5. How should Amy speak?
How should Amy speak when she talks with others, with her teacher and her friends? She should speak clearly. Very good. Well done. Thanks for watching. This is the last slide. See you inshallah in the next part of this lesson. This is Mr. Abdullah Sharraba from the Palestinian School. Hope you understand everything. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.